What's going on, YouTube? Just making a quick video. I know I made one about the fan going out before you turn this, you get no speeds. And we replaced the resistor, but in this case we've already replaced it and it fixed it for a while, then it went back out. Make a quick video to say, if that is your case, check the fuses here. This 30 amp heater fuse, that's the one you're going to want to check. And this is a I think this is a 07 Chevy Silverado. It might be a different fuse on an older Chevy, not sure, but for this one it's the 30 amp heater fuse. It was blown, replaced it, and we got our fan speeds back, so it's getting hot again. So if you already replaced the resistor and you're still not getting fan speeds, check that fuse. But yeah, thanks for watching.